Co-living is one of the strongest high cash flow strategies in real estate today, but only when investors stay in control of their property, their operations, and their tenant selection. There's one platform that takes away that control. This is a warning for investors about PadSplit and why it may not be the right choice for co-living properties. PadSplit sells a dream: maximum rental income, zero management headaches. They handle tenants, collect rent, coordinate repairs. Just sit back and watch the deposits hit your account. But here's what they don't tell you in the marketing materials. Here's the part that shocks most owners. When you sign with PadSplit, you don't just hire a manager. You hand over control of your asset. PadSplit reduces the owner's ability to screen tenants, enforce rules, and build a healthy community culture. They set your rental rates. They approve tenants using their criteria. They decide when and how maintenance happens. You're not managing your investment anymore. You're just watching from the sidelines as someone else makes decisions about your biggest asset. Their model prioritizes filling rooms, not finding the right residents. In co-living, choosing the wrong roommates is the fastest way to lose stability and profitability. Across the industry, PadSplit hosts report the same pattern. More turnover, more conflicts, more late payments, more damage, more drama. The platform attracts residents with limited financial stability, which increases risk and reduces long-term performance. PadSplit uses weekly billing to attract renters without savings or credit. But weekly billing creates inconsistent cash flow, more delinquency, more accounting friction, and less reliability. High-performing co-living models rely on predictable monthly income, not weekly income spikes. PadSplit typically takes 15 to 20% of revenue before an owner pays for utilities, maintenance, turnover, repairs, landscaping, or cleaning. In a strategy where margins matter, that fee alone can wipe out a significant portion of potential profit. Now let's talk about maintenance costs. PadSplit forces you to use their vendor network. You have no say in who works on your property. Real property owners report the same pattern. A $150 plumbing repair suddenly costs $800. A simple HVAC fix becomes a $1,000 bill. Slow response times, poor quality work, repairs that need to be redone. Multiply this across dozens of maintenance calls per year, and your profits evaporate. PadSplit's business model depends on one thing: filling rooms fast. Their screening process prioritizes speed over quality. The result? Property owners report constant issues: property damage, disturbances, unpaid utilities, tenants leaving without notice. If a tenant causes damage, if law enforcement is called, if rent goes unpaid, the owner deals with the consequences. PadSplit takes the revenue, but not the liability. Many cities are cracking down on co-living arrangements. Think you can just leave if it's not working? Their contracts include lengthy notice periods. Extracting your property means evicting all current tenants and starting over. Some owners report being essentially trapped in money-losing arrangements because unwinding the setup could take months and cost tens of thousands in lost revenue. Their priority is traffic, volume, and listings. The investor's priority is stability, profit, and asset protection. These priorities don't align. A platform-first model is not designed to help a co-living investor build long-term wealth. PadSplit promises passive income but delivers active losses while your property deteriorates. Your rental property is likely your largest investment. Don't hand control to a company whose interests don't align with yours. You can earn more without PadSplit. If co-living interests you, there's a better way. Manage it yourself or hire a traditional property manager with co-living experience. When owners market directly, screen thoroughly, and maintain full control, they gain higher net cash flow, better tenant quality, control over maintenance at fair prices, stronger community culture, lower turnover, and less property wear. If this video saved you from a costly mistake, hit that like button and subscribe. Click the link below to sign up for our mailing list and get the free Co-Living Investor Toolkit that includes our Deal Analyzer Calculator, our home buying evaluation checklist, and more. Thanks for watching.